In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Wise Digital Card. If you're new to Wise, the digital card is a secure set of card details you can use online without pulling out a physical card. It works for most websites and apps that accept card payments and is great when you want extra privacy and control. Before we begin, make sure your Wise app is installed on your phone, you're signed in, and you have enough money in the correct currency for the purchase to avoid extra conversion costs. Start by opening the Wise app on your mobile device. Give it a moment to load, and, if prompted, update to the latest version so everything looks and works as shown. Once you're in, go straight to the card section. You'll usually find it on the bottom menu. This is where all your card tools live, including your digital card details, spending controls, and security settings. Next, tap Card Details. Wise protects this screen because it displays your full card number, expiry date, and security code. For that reason, you'll be asked to verify yourself. Enter your password or use your phone's biometric unlock. Keep this information private and never share it in messages or screenshots. If you can't remember your password, use the in-app recovery flow instead of guessing. After the details appear, copy them carefully. Wise provides quick copy buttons for the card number, expiry, and CVC to reduce typing mistakes. Only paste these details into a trusted checkout and clear your clipboard afterward if your phone doesn't do it automatically. Avoid saving screenshots of the card details. If you need them again, come back to this secure screen. Now, head to the website or app where you want to pay. Choose card as the payment method and paste the card number, expiry date, and CVC from Wise. Enter the cardholder name exactly as shown, and make sure the billing address matches what you use in Wise to prevent declines. If the merchant supports extra verification, approve the 3D Secure prompt in your Wise app when it appears. Double check the currency being charged and, if possible, pay in the currency you hold to minimize fees. Once the payment is confirmed, you're done. That's the whole process. Open the Wise app, go to cards, view card details, verify, copy, and use those details at checkout. If a payment doesn't go through, confirm you have sufficient balance, the card details were entered correctly, and the merchant accepts your card network. Stay safe and enjoy the convenience of paying with your Wise digital card.